In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a friend on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Snapchat app. Then, right here, tap at your profile picture or at your Bitmoji, and you will be taken to this page where you should scroll down until you find My Friends. Just get into it. That will show you all your friends sorted in alphabetical order. You can scroll down, and now you have to find a friend which you want to delete on Snapchat. If you can't find it here, let's say you got a lot of friends in that list, you can use search. And once you find one that you want to remove, just hold down at that contact, then tap at Manage Friendship, and then you will be able to report that user, to block that user, or to remove friend. If I tap at Remove Friend, it asks, are you sure you want to remove that user as a friend? If you hit at Remove, that will remove that user as a friend and from that list, obviously. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.